I'm at Dutch Bros getting my free birthday drink, my first free birthday drink, because I'm about to hit up all the Dutch Bros. Just joking. Hi.
Is it your birthday today?
Yeah.
Okay, happy birthday.
Thank you. I think we're going to Proof. Yeah, thanks.
And then what's the sugar-free apple and sugar-free chocolate? Okay.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Mommy, what's Proof?
A little restaurant that mommy's gonna go to. Thank you.
Yeah, you have a good one.
You too.
Mommy, where are you and the girls gonna be?
You guys are gonna be hanging out with Stevie.
Where at?
Our house. Is that okay, my girls?
Yeah. We're gonna be babysitting. Hello? Wait,
Stevie?
Mommy.
Yeah?
If Stevie wants to, can she take us to the park?
Not with Maxwell.
Okay. Wait, Maxwell can be there?
Yeah.
Oh. It's like silver? Yeah.
That's where we're going for my birthday.
Mommy.
I wanted to show the kids.
Mommy.
Hopefully we'll be up on the balcony up there. But it's a really pretty place. Okay, we came to Target. Target has these really nice quality kids backpacks for $3. Oops.
No, you just want me to
These are really nice. They have a purple one, a pink one, looks like a green one, and a blue one. These are nice for $3. These are really nice quality. They have these checkered boxes. They have $3 Snackle boxes. These are nice. I just got some of these at the dollar store, but they have these $3 caddies. These are better quality, obviously. And they have the white ones. Cool pencil storage. And they have these neon colors, dry erase pockets. These are neat. These are only $1. Target dollar spot is definitely where it's at right now. Sensory water bottles for $3. They have these cute bento boxes that I'm gonna get Maxwell one for $3. I'm gonna get this one for Max. Super cute. Then they have these unicorn ones. You guys, these are only $3. And they have 4 compartments inside. And the kids got some little toys.
If I let you touch my sign? Uh-huh. I'll let you have. Last time I got one of those, and then Daddy got one of them, and then he almost got all of them.
You guys were really good in there. You guys were really good in there. Raycon is on a mission to create a better everyday through reliable, accessible, and delightful technology. Thank you so much to Raycon for sponsoring today's video. As you can see, I am about to take my earbuds out of their case and place them in my ear, shake my head around, move, dance while I'm cleaning, spin around, bend over, picking things up, vacuuming, doing all of the things, and all while keeping my earbuds in place, you guys. These things are awesome. They stayed in my ears the whole entire time. They stay in my ears in the car. They stay in my ears while I'm doing my daily routines with the kiddos, while I sleep, literally everything. Check this out. My living room definitely needed a good pickup and a good vacuum. There was toys, blankets, pillows everywhere, and there was little crumbs. You might not be able to see them, but there were definitely little crumbs of chips and popcorn. I actually need to start making the rules and that they cannot eat food out in the living room anymore because they spill things. My kiddos are 8, 6, 5, and 18 months, and you guys, they are not like little vacuum cleaners. I am the vacuum cleaner. Hi, I'm Mom. I'm a vacuum cleaner.
I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile. What is it that you do? My life was great till you added.
Next best thing, if you cannot get to a vacuum while you are trying to clean up and straighten up any area in your house, especially in the living room, fluff up those pillows, girl, because they are going to make your couch and your living room look brand new.
World on fire.
Raycon is on a mission to create a better everyday through reliable, accessible, and delightful technology. The price is right. They fit so good. You guys saw me shaking my head around, vacuuming, bending over, picking things up. And you can try it first for 30 days. You don't like it, you get your money back, which is a 30-day happiness guarantee, or you get free returns. You guys know, as a busy mother of 4 kids at home, I am always cleaning, always running around doing errands, getting the job done, listening to music. They're not gonna budge and fall out of my ear like a lot of earbuds do. Another reason why I really like these Raycon earbuds is because I've been getting into podcasts, and I like the fact that I can listen to a podcast while I'm laying down, falling asleep, and these easily will just stick in my ear all night. If I fall asleep with them in my ear, they're not gonna go anywhere. There are touch controls on the earbuds, active noise cancellation. You guys, these are water resistant. Also, the play life on these, 32 hours. That's crazy. Another feature that I like about these, wireless charging. I love this lavender purple color that Raycon provided me with. They have forest green, royal blue, and blush violet, which is these ones. These earbuds have been my favorite earbuds so far. Out of all the name brands that I've tried, go look up in my nightstand upstairs. There's a ton of different earbuds that fall out of my ears. They're not noise canceling, and they just suck. I can charge these in 10 minutes, and that gives me 1.5 hours of playtime on these earbuds. These are super affordable. They're dust proof. I love this case. Super pretty up against the blushing violet. So if you guys want to shop now, there is a link down below in the description box. You guys can use my promo code. I want to thank Raycon so much for sponsoring today's video. So we're back home. I just opened an Alani pink slush. Let me turn the light on. I just opened an Alani pink slush, and I drank all of my birthday drink, so I'm gonna pour this in here.
You already drank all your birthday drink?
Yeah.
Girl?
I know. Mommy's fast, huh?
No, it's because we were out for so long.
True.
I dropped all my stuff. Oh my god. Could I sit with you? Never mind. Sophia took your heart.
This is a super quick Target haul. I only got a few things. This is Armor All Original Protectant Wipes. I've been like trying to detail the inside of my car, and I feel like the surface is looking a little bit dingy from the sun damage. So I got these protectant wipes to wipe them up, and then it'll leave a natural shine. So I got this Armor All stuff. Each girl picked out a little slime. This one's peanut butter and jelly. This one's cupcake frosting. And then Sugar picked out a Barbie notebook. I got more wands, bubble wands. I got these 2 bins for organizing. So these were each $3. They remind me of IKEA bins. And then I got this fruit tool set that I found in the Target dollar spot for $3. This can carve, peel, scoop, pretty much a little bit of everything. It has a little one right here, and then this big one. Pretty cool little gadget. And then Sugary has been wanting little skirts and little skirts, and I got her these 2. I was about to order some on Amazon. The ones on Amazon are $10 each, but these ones were $15, but she's been really wanting some. And they're just little skirts. They're just little skirts that have little shorts in them, so they're little skirts. So I got her this hot pink pair, and then a lavender purple pleated pair. I think it's super cute. She's gonna look super pretty in them on her skin tone. These colors are gonna be so pretty. And then Maxwell needed a 4th of July outfit, so I got him this shirt. So stinking cute. With these shorts, you guys. I'm obsessed. How cute is this? So cute. Oh my gosh. And then I got these little dollar stickers for the girls' water bottles.
Let me see.
Just figure they can play around with them. And then these ones are for boys.
For Max.
And then
Look, did you show me lunchbox?
this is Maxwell's little lunchbox. All the girls have lunch boxes already. I'm gonna get them new ones for school. Probably bento boxes, but when school starts. But I got him this. It was only $3. Let me open it really quick. And I'll show you guys the compartments inside. Look how many compartments is in there. There's 5. This is such a cool little box for $3. So cute. And then I got this rainbow s'mores kit. It has rainbow marshmallows, milk chocolate, popping candy in it, and graham crackers. And this is on clearance for 75% off. So it was $2. It was $2.50, originally $10. So great deal. Okay, bed's a mess, but I wanted to show you guys the new dress that I picked out. It's a corally colored romper, and it's so pretty. No, it's not corally pink. It's like a blush pink, like a true blush pink romper. Let me show you guys in better lighting. So this is it in better lighting. There's breast milk. My boobs were leaking. I still have breast milk in my boobs since I stopped breastfeeding Maxwell, and sometimes I leak. So this leaked a little bit, so I just put some water on it. But anyways, this is just a teeny tiny romper. It is so cute on. The color looks amazing on my skin tone. It's very flattering, and it's gonna be perfect for my party. It's a little more revealing than I would like, but guys, I'm turning 40. Go big or go home. And then I did end up picking these Shein shoes. So they're gonna go perfect. Yay, I'm excited. I'll try it on in a little bit just so you guys can see. I hope you can see, this is the new romper. This is the back of it. It's very revealing in the back. And I'm gonna wear those Shein heels, those tan nude Shein heels. And let me know if you like it. But this is just a little sneak peek, and I will vlog. My next vlog will be my actual birthday vlog. So it's my 40th birthday today, but I'm going to be vlogging from the time I get ready. Get ready with me. If you enjoyed this vlog, give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.
Be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. We could be gazing at the stars, but now it feels just like I wandered off into a room and closed the door behind me. I never gave the key to you, even though I wanted to. I should be trying something new, but now my body's aching. I'm tired of dwelling in the dark, it's just that my heart can't take it. I didn't know what it would cost me when I let you go. I feel alone, and I'm just singing, It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you. I could be driving to your place, but now the ground is shaking. Could be a phase, but it feels like it will never go away until we make up. I can't be myself. I never knew how much I needed you. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do, 'cause it should have been you. you. Another time, another place, I just know you could have been the one who made me feel home. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Ooh, it should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know you could have been the one who made me feel at home. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been